Welcome to the Venrap Radio. Nena zidiwana zinanituka ndisuhana ndingwana ndo mahunguni. And I'm always gonna bring you something every day if it's possible, depending on the time. Yeah, man. So there have been a lot of questions. Yo, what happened to Jack Bunny? Hey, Jack Banu guy. Some people didn't even know who Jack Bunny. So before I take you to like Nidibor Jack Bunny, Jack Bunny was one of the youngest rapper in I can say South Africa or Venrap or Venrap have ever had. One of the dopest youngest rapper ever. Any rapper na yo apakalafa and the kid does things. He makes things happen. Hey, I'm off our Mikey. You know for a fact so I'm just gonna take you back in 2014. Jack Bunny was recording one of his songs. So he was in studio. The bomb. He had to agoyesh duro. He had to agoyesh duro kono record. Oh, mtuk. Asasukeris.
Ini niko gonya ntachi duro ngori. Ini no pui paresa. Tini boni ninga ngeni. Ini ezo ni butuni. Tini boni ni guma. Zino ngira se kihla msalani. Zino ini gonya ni hapa. Next time erdote ne renga na mi renja Oscar Pistorius. Ezo ya chia jere. Ne. Ni shapo ti. Zo zula shapo. Okay, record ati. Ini riko ni vale la funga ngo. Riko ngori ni bona ale funga. Yeah, so Zunur got record that best like Jack Bunny.
Yo, it was crazy, I remember those days. It was just this young kid when I was like, who the hell is this kid? What mean? Then he came and he dropped some crazy bars. He did some crazy things. Like, he killed it. And now on Aruwa, man, I'm going to take you to the video in the kid have grown up and is doing great still in the music. The dropper, like, even shoots his own music videos. Like like he's good. That kid is good. Yeah, he has grown, man. He got to a time where we had to let him do what he feels like in the music. As a sticker gangster, come on. Abab.
You ready? Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's Jack Bunny. Those were the days like, yo, man, I remember those days. Jack Bunny were talking something else. Like, he started freestyling, battling. Like, way, man. Like, Daka game, the Wuzori is here to destroy, come on, and take over. And that's what he did. Now, Sunoka do a business music, he needs to do something.
So, request food. Request tamba. Rakono ni upload like Facebook. Anepa one na kobona one. So ni download. Okay.
And funny enough, you know what was believing is that Jack Bunny writes his own music from an early age. I watched the music. Wow, he never no. This guy have been writing music. Wow. So I'm gonna firstly give you the official music video. What track elania female track and a female track so I just want to take you through ori nibono ori chiko fi Jack Bunny. He comes a long way and he grew up into this music industry. He was just a little kid about 11 years old at Janaka industry. Come on. So I'm just gonna show you something nyana nibono. Like yo, are the honest. The kid is talented, man. The kid is something else. Yo, Rambango, man. Ah, 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 ah. Bone, abade manyandi Jack Barney no ni hapa na bomb futi. Yo, this was a one crazy combination na Venda Hustler kama Mboso Benny. Jack Barney been doing this thing, man. Okay. So I've let you watch Jack Barney. Abizi hapa ni akudia heklakwe gumbuma yo. So I'm gonna take you now Jack Barney mamonore. Jack Barney kaspio, Jack Barney kaspio. He dropped 2 music videos. I haven't watched them. What I'm about to do nzori kongo rezibone rote. Usuke une bakubona musiriko no enjoy, ariko no divozori. Mswana kuna zotambani. Ukitwa zito hapo.
Every day's a celebration. They can never stop us. Bangasi vale mageta rufaras kelam key. Game like a Tory, you so special. I'm here to work hard, teenage being a chami dambo. Ikiba zwenda tera chingo tera zwami shasho. Perfect.
Yeah. I did the style you just copy, and I do it as a hobby. I wish you knew what you shawty. Baba kufanga kutamba, kutonya tazunda amba. Nikupanda meze saka, miziko koyaka ulishaka. Batitonga basibani, batitonga basibani, batitonga basibani, batitonga basibani. Baba kufanga kutamba, kutonya tazunda amba. Nikupanda meze saka, miziko koyaka ulishaka. Batitonga basibani, batitonga basibani.
This is the Jack Barney. This is the video that dropped 3 days ago. So Zuna Jack Barney is working. I'm also going to Zura. Abaziboni. It's an official music video of Vanning and Jack Barney. If it's of Abaziboni. What on your does it to? What on your does it to Mswana? Akubabu Ray. I'm coming.
I am your boy, the young king, putting niggas in shit like a lightning. You know, dropping shit on my fan. You ain't a buzz, got a rap skill. I seen a naba, banabafuna, banabana, banabafuna, zinebagafar. Listen a second, nigga, to move far. You cut and paste. You can keep up with the pace. I dizzy phone. Nobody was a dizzy phone. Open the rub on the fool of a phone. She never, I'm under the dizzy phone. So now you tell them the sense of a hoon. I thought that the phone, nobody phone. Yeah. Nabako fanga kutamba.
What on yaza? Jack Barney. That boy is still doing the greatest. Zenda kufuna zondi zori the kid. He's doing his own videos. Chingona detail. Nuri our channels of him. And then this is if this video is the latest EP in a dropper, if you lost in the clear. It's a very dope mix EP. It's also available ka SoundCloud. And then if you have a group chat where the WhatsApp back on the one, I'm still gonna try to find a way, Uri, and I can bring them all those songs for you guys. I'm gonna listen to all the songs with you guys. Uri, nabone bazife zori. Rukambo Jack Bunny is still doing music. Rukamba Supio. So ndo batambela music video lano abaziboni, which is a simple content in your creative wangatkana. You can see the direction, or they have a plan, they have a story to tell. Bakozita ngandira yabo ya chizino. Like they don't tryna be somebody or copying someone. What I like about Jack Bunny is that he's hustling on his own pace, on his own way. Ndibanje na borizini muno diambore, hey ntwana, how you dope? Ngabusa maraza, they will tell you the same story, because those are some of the big guys, the national artists. When they know about this guy, Oskido, they will tell you, because hey, the kid have also won that Metro FM hip hop show in Tamanga Saturday, Tonga Oskido na Rashidi. So ningas process zori rekwamba nga watu bane about they're strong, so I'm gonna play another video in a bit of trust. Trust in the video in a you got a drop. You drop as you know, drop an in drop 3 videos for this EP. Think no, 2 videos in the freestyle. Yeah, something like that. So I'm gonna play you another video in a dropper like Zazino and Epa. 3 days ago, it was if you trust in the Jack Bunny. I'm just taking you through. The kid have grown. Yeah.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Don't tell me about trust, don't tell me about lust. Why I always put you first, then you always put me last. Don't tell me about trust, don't tell me about lust. Why damn, I never thought that it'd be better seeing all my niggas. I was in love, so to me that was the bigger picture. Looks like I pictured incorrectly, should have seen it quicker. My heart's broken and my eyes have turned into a river. We was living on the edge, I had no edge to leave you. Your words sounded like the Bible because I believed you. We never fought, the only issue was that I would miss you. Wanna continue but you changed, now I don't know you. The late night text, dissing our exes. All of the stories that you told me dealing with depression. Secrets that nobody knew, I was the only person. I don't regret being with you, you were a life lesson. But at first you were my lifeline. I dreamt about you in the day and in the night time. You were as fake as our daughters and our sons too. We were struggling, I was hoping for a breakthrough. I guess you both don't tell me about trust, don't tell me about lust. Wow.
Whoa.
First, then you always put me last. Don't tell me about trust.
like, yo, the kid have come up with something. Holy, whoa, Jack Bunny. This is too much. Nigga, yo, okay, don't tell me about the late night tags, the exits, the love, the what? Broken trust, yeah. Broken trust, Jack Bunny.
Eye for an eye makes the world blind, it's fine. If we can ever go back to what it felt like, we can reconcile, we can make it right. And I saw you with a nigga, you should treat him right. You were hurting, so you hurt me, but I let it slide. I've moved on and I've made peace. Kinda strange, a little awkward, but it saved me. We know they love, but it don't mean it should erase me. It's crazy how fast things change in relations. I've made peace, but my heart was in a few pieces. Best feeling was you calling me for no reason. Next thing you were as cold as the winter season. 1 minute I'm with you, the next you were leaving. I put you in my heart, but you left it bleeding. But I wrote this for the closure I was busy seeking. And I'm always
Jack Bunny, what I trying to? Hey, You know what? One thing I'm loving is like he's writing music for his own age. I could have the club, and no, the kid is writing music. You know worry, age. It's about his age, time, and everything. It's not about the club, Rolls Royce, and gold watch. While you know you can't even afford. The kid is sticking on his own lane and is creating his own, own fan base. Joe, Jack Bunny. Yo, let me listen. Like I'm wrong number something. Next thing, you as cold as the winter season. And musu lufuno vanga first step. Lufuno vanga chibana bono basiya we mapala badani bakuzukori mara ndo bande chimufuna. Baka free we apala bako rera wana mono kanda no gumaka 200 basukori mpinchi. Ola mwana nduna ndi chimufuna. Ino dzula nika pasini nibuso mara mungana uko kandesa. Shamna nduzobati. He cold as yo, Jack Bunny.
1 minute I'm with you, the next you were leaving.
Yeah,
I put you in my heart, but you left it bleeding. But I wrote this for the closure I was busy seeking. And I'm always in a room staring at the ceiling. But I believe that everything happens for a reason. You're sincerely.
Yo, Jackie boy. Let me call this boy, man. No. I checked it. Yo, the video is just clean, pure, dope. Yes, says Jack Bunny. My boy. Yo, this is great. I'm loving the whole thing, man. I just don't know how I can react. Don't know how to control the emotions. Jack Barney has done some great work. So if you're artist na nini upcoming as a young boy and worry, you want to do your own thing and kabona mus, don't do things based on what people are saying or you're trying to impress friends. Sometimes you just want to do things your own way, you know. It's the hustler's diary. Na dukan na swan and the one and one mahunguni. You're still checking out Jack Banu guy musically. Ukotanga na mini musically. So I'm gonna give you holding hands. It's kind of freestyle now in the video at dropper. This is the freestyle in there where it was taken but could as behind the scene the whole thing in yeah music video what trust. So I'm just gonna take you through it. What is he up to on the next video? Nothing is anything the door, but you can judge, you can comment, you can share, you can do everything you feel like you need to do about this Nerubuzori. What do you think about the kid? What do you think about his hustle? What do you think about the way he's doing things now? From Chinamona, since he entered the game back in 20 before the recording, I can say he's been freestyling, battling, doing all those things since 2010. Somewhere there, coming 2014. That's when he started hitting up the booth. I could drop as the tracks and all that. Mara, I think I need to find also even that friend of his, that other kid, that other boy. Ofeni. Where is he? But we'll find him. We'll find him. There used to be one hell of a combination Nabo. And I know that he's doing his own video, he's doing his own music, his own production. But it's yeah, I think Opasa Metric now is he's hustling in Josie or something. So I'm just gonna guys, I'm gonna hit you up. And then we're gonna do this whole thing in Kobono and Koremi Muzi. Because honestly speaking, everything that is so dope like this, you know what, we gotta share with the people. Jack Bunny, so let me take you through holding hands holding hand freestyle, that's what they call it. But yes, you two almost good trust ile track and kupeza watambula yone ile ni ya mbiru baba ya mbiru butungu ya musi vola pasi kombosia wadofunga na zwino shango liko pera maro bangwana nazo na
and they holding hands. Walking in my crib like it's a party. And we bring more friends.
Yo. Yo, Reese.
But I feel cool, come collected in my flannel shirt. Now, I know what you seen and I know what you heard. But I'm sorry, they don't happen here.
Yo. Yo, they claim the moving in silence, but all of these niggas are talking about me, eh. You need to keep it 100 if you wanna fuck with them niggas around me, eh. I need to put out this video, show it to all of the niggas that doubt me, eh. I wish she knew who just shawty and she was just telling me she wanna house me. Never be making no new friends, been a couple years with the same cats. Niggas be rolling a few blunts, I'm on FL rolling high hats. Niggas be talking about Cloud9, I'm on SoundCloud, you should stream that, eh. Get a beat body baggy, eh. Make a beat, you should tag it, eh. Okay, now let me ask again. Yeah, you in a part of my gang. What is your name again? Yeah, now let me ask again. Yeah, you in a part of my gang. Ain't you a family man? 1606 shit.
Make a wish.
Yo, we shooting a video for Trust. And this is the behind the scene freestyle, I guess.
Now let me
One thing I'll tell you, talent is talent. Don't forget to subscribe to Jack Barney. Just search Jack Barney in one of YouTube channel and you can subscribe there. Don't forget to subscribe. Chipenda Music and Entertainment, Jack Barney.
ask again. Yeah, I know that you got a man, so why ain't your ass with him? Yeah, don't make me spaz again. Roll on my back with again. Smoke it in peace, but then shawty after shawty.
Yeah, man. So I took you through Abonazori. Jack Barney is not just sitting. He needs to focus on the school. He needs to do a lot of things. Uri asangora depend on music only. It's a very bright kid. He's a hustler, smart moves. He knows how to get attention. Grab your focus or ni focus kaya like your whole attention. Don't focus kaya. Ni sacha sedana tungo. Di muat kanavane kala venda. He grew up in this industry and he knows how to play the industry. So what I can say is, Ori, let's respect, let's subscribe, let's support the boy, man. Jack Bunny. Nenga zinandidoka ndiswana ndingwana ndwa mahungoni. So that was like a 20 minutes. Ndiko wasembedza Jack Bunny remini. We out of time. We on 20 minutes. We have clocked. Waruwana 0826937124. Twitter ni Nema. Venrap radio underscore Nema. On Instagram. Nema wa mahungoni. On Facebook. Chivenda music and entertainment. Wadownload the music at www.renderfast.co.za or www.venrapradiostation.co.za. Var follower. Naka Facebook ya Jack Bunny. Vaska mtoda Facebook var Jack Bunny. Vamwana, and then you subscribe, you follow, you like, you comment on Twitter, everywhere, and even on Instagram. He's all over and he's doing the greatest thing. Ne Amara here. This is radio was Dozori Azulibua. Rezulibua ngamini alibere.